guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can extract audio from a video on CapCut PC. So there are a few ways to do it. You can either select a video and right click and then select separate audio and just delete the video here, or you can even go to audio and select extracted audio and select import. Here is where you are going to select a video, and then it will only extract the audio. It will also show the date, and kind of like the numbering on it will also will also show. So like here I extracted it on the 10th of May of 2023. It will show the date on it, and that's pretty much how you can extract audio from a video in CapCut PC. So there are two ways to do it. Again, the first one's to separate the audio from just the video, and and this one's like just extracting just the audio because you don't really want to use the video. That's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching.